we will use superposition on this problem. First, when we have the equation of second derivative minus derivative plus y equal to sine t. So if we have sine t on the right hand side, the solution is going to be cosine of t. If we have e to the 2t on the right hand side, then the solution will be e to the 2t over 3. So for certain type of equation on the right hand side, then we have certain type of solution. And just one thing to note, that all of this equation, the left hand side are the same. So that we have the same homogeneous solution. Alright, let's look at the first problem. First problem, we have 3 sine t on the right hand side, and for sine t, the solution is going to be cosine of t. But we have 3 in front of it, then the solution actually will have 3 in front of it. So that is the solution. And we don't have any e to the 2t. Right. Next, we have sine t on the right hand side, then the solution must have cosine of t in it. And then we have e to the 2t on the right hand side, then we must have e to the 2t over 3 as the solution. We will have 4 in front of it and the negative 6, just like what we have here and here. So that's simplified to 4 cosine of t minus 2 e to the 2t. Similarly, on the last problem, we have sine t, then the solution must be cosine of t. And for e to the 2t, the solution must be e to the 2t over 3. And then we have 5 in front of it, 5 in front of cosine t, and then 27 in front of e to the 2t over 3. And that simplifies to 5 cosine of t plus 9 e to the 2t. And that's what we have. It's just a linear combination of its solution. But notice that, just keep in mind that everything on the left hand side of the equation must be the same.